The American dream of homeownership is slipping away for many. Skyrocketing housing costs, stagnant wages, and crippling student loan debt have made it nearly impossible. But there is hope on the horizon. The Retail Transformation Bill, a groundbreaking piece of legislation, proposes a bold solution: the home buying program. This program aims to make the dream of owning a home a reality for millions of Americans. This isn't about settling for less. This is about affordable luxury. We're talking spacious, 3-bedroom homes with multiple bathrooms situated in desirable neighborhoods. Imagine a big backyard for kids to play and entertain friends. This is the future the home buying program wants to build. This program is not just about putting roofs over heads. It's about fostering strong communities and investing in the future of America. This is an investment that will pay dividends for generations to come. The home buying program is ambitious, but it's built on a solid foundation: a massive $500 billion trust fund. This isn't some government handout. This fund will be a lean, mean, money-making machine. Through strategic investments, it will generate over $100 billion annually in dividends. That's right, this program will essentially pay for itself. This money isn't going into someone's pocket, it's going right back into the program. It will be used to purchase homes, cover maintenance costs, and ensure the long-term sustainability of the program. We're talking about financial responsibility on a massive scale. This is about creating a system that works for everyone. It's about ensuring that future generations have the same opportunities for homeownership that previous generations enjoyed. Now let's talk about the homes themselves. Forget about cramped apartments or fixer-uppers. The home buying program is focused on providing quality housing. We're talking about beautiful, spacious homes with 3 bedrooms and 2 to 3 bathrooms. These are homes designed for families, for living, for creating memories. And the best part, you can say goodbye to those outrageous housing costs. For a mere $500 a month, you can live in a dream home without the stress of a mortgage, property taxes, or even maintenance costs. That's right, all those expenses are covered by the trust fund. This is about providing financial peace of mind. It's about allowing families to focus on what truly matters: each other, without the constant worry of housing costs. The impact of the home buying program goes beyond individual homeowners. This program has the potential to reshape the entire housing market. It can provide relief for struggling sellers and help stabilize neighborhoods. It can create jobs and stimulate economic growth. But most importantly, this program is about giving young families a chance. It's about providing a pathway to homeownership that doesn't require winning the lottery or inheriting a fortune. It's about restoring the promise of the American dream for a new generation. The Retail Transformation Bill and the home buying program represent a once-in-a-generation opportunity. This is our chance to address the housing crisis head-on and create a brighter future for all Americans. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Learn more about the Retail Transformation Bill by watching our informative YouTube videos. The future of homeownership is in your hands.